with Matthew and my cousin Sarah Cat. We're here for a YouTube video today.
It's dancing basics, technically.
Yeah, and don't ask why I'm in pajamas. It's technically nighttime for us, as you can see.
Show them.
So, we're
Technically
doing
night.
a video about us being scared of the dark. It's called Dark.
Yeah, and it's not like literal, it's just the name that we made up for this dance.
Yeah.
So actually, if any of you see this and you guys actually have a TikTok account, make this dance on TikTok.
And just so you know, there's no music in this video because it's all just a beginner basics of dancing.
But the next video, we're gonna do the same dance, but with music.
Yep.
It's gonna be a song that's already been used, but yeah. Okay.
Let's get started.
Wait, remember starting position?
And we have to escape. What did we do? What happened tonight? It's now like super dark and we're hearing like ghost sounds and it's so scary.
It's just so dark.
Woo! That's what we're talking about. So let's get started again.
Go closer to the camera.
So hi guys, you seen our video, that was the end. Bye guys.